Thank you for joining the 2020 Fall Conference. We look forward to your participation in the conference.
Although the conference will be virtual this year, we are excited to continue hosting vendor booth through the conference's website and Flipgrid.
Stay tuned for a Flipgrid tutorial provided by Julie Erickson, who's with Technology and Innovation in Education, or TIE. She'll be going over instructions on adding your virtual booth to the conference's website.
We understand that it has been difficult to keep up with all the new technology made available during these past few months, so please do not hesitate to contact me if you need any assistance.
Thank you again. We're so excited to have you join us.
Here's a quick tutorial on Flipgrid. The first thing we're going to do is go down to record a response. When you click on record a response, it is going to ask you to join with either Google or Microsoft. You do not need to create an account at this point. You just need to log in with either a Google account or a Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, it will ask you to use your microphone and your camera. So we'll need to allow that. And you have 2 minutes to record your video. So I'm going to click on the camera and we have 2 minutes. Hi, this is a demo video. Once you've recorded your video, you can review it to see to see how it turns out. You can add more if you'd like. You can edit it if you'd like. You can trim it, and if you're happy with it, you can click on next. Then you need to take a selfie. And so to take the selfie, you're going to click on the camera. You can add effects. And so there's frames. You can upload a photo if you have a photo that you'd like to upload. So if you have your logo, you can do that. So you have a lot of different options there that you can do. Take your selfie and then say next. The last thing you'll need to do is change your display name. I would recommend changing it to your organization. You can add a link to your company's website, or you can add a link to information that you want to provide. And then you can also add in your name or other information under title. You do have to click submit to finalize the submission. And it is successful. You get the little celebration. You can download the QR code, the video, or the selfie if it's something you want to keep forever. And then when you're all done, click on complete. That's how you make a video. Thank you so much.